Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about paragraph in MS Word. Now, paragraph, we're going to talk about these things and the paragraph. So we have one, paragraph formatting. Now the paragraph formatting, we talk about the align left, align right, center, justify. Now we go to line spacing, paragraph shading, indent, sorting, and border. So these are the key things that we are going to talk about in this video. So now let's start. Now, how do you format a paragraph? Now when you go to home, the home tab, now there's a tab called formatting. Now this side is the paragraph. This side is called paragraph. You see a group called paragraph, and these are what we can use to format a paragraph. So now the first one is the align left. Now when you say align left, what does it mean? This is the arrangement of text. So at your left, you arrange the text at your left. So let's pick this first paragraph. Now with this passage, we have 3 paragraphs. So let's pick the first one. Now you can decide to triple click to hide the paragraph, or you can decide to just press and hold the left button and drag, or you can pull the cursor at the insertion point at the first sentence. Then you apply. So the first paragraph, they're going to apply the left. So this is the left, right? So we have this is the left. Now when you apply the left, see your left side is on a straight line. So guess what? Your left side is on a straight line. So let me apply the left. So your left side is on a straight line, whilst your right side, see, is not in a straight line. So arranging your text on the left, that is the left alignment. Now with the same one, let's go for the center. So the center, now you have space left at the left and the same at the right. And the last word is going to center the paragraph. So just watch here. You can see from here and it's in the center. So that's how to center a text. And the same paragraph. Now let's go for the right. So this is the right. So you can see that the right side is on a straight line, while the left is not in a straight line as well. And the last one is the justify. That is to arrange it absolutely within the margin. So these are the margin. So this is the margin. So this is the first margin. You see where it is. Now the second margin, what's here? You see, so it's going to arrange it absolutely within those margins. Okay, so that's it for the alignment. Now let's go to the second one, and before we go there, see all the alignment, they have the shortcut keys to them. Now for left is Control plus L, the same thing right plus the R, then center is E, and justify is J. So you can decide to just put a cursor here, then you just apply this on the keyboard. It's going to take effect, and the same thing applies to the rest. Okay, so now let's go for the second, that's the line spacing. Now when we say line spacing, what does it mean? The line spacing is the space between a line of sentence. So this is the first line, this is the first line, this is the second line as well, and this is the third line. So let's see, the space left between the first and the second is too small here, and you want to just increase the space. But you can decide to just highlight the whole paragraph, triple click to highlight the paragraph, or you can put the cursor here. Okay, so it means you are just working on the paragraph. Now go to this side here, that's called the indent. So that's the line and paragraph spacing. Line and paragraph spacing. So click on it. Now you see, so you have 1.15, 1.5, 2.0. So the higher the number, the bigger the space. So 1.5, you see now the space between this and the space between this, which one is bigger? Now you see, the same thing applies. You can just use the other one, 2.0. Now you see, so that's the line spacing. That's the line spacing. Okay, now the next one is the paragraph shading. This is a paragraph. So you know this, we have 3 paragraphs now. So we have 1, 2, and 3. 3 paragraph. So you want to just highlight the middle paragraph, the second paragraph. So when it comes to this side, you have what I did is shading. Now we have other color tools. This is a text highlight color. Now you want to shade. So under shading, this is the shading color. Now you can decide to choose any of these color. You can decide to choose, let's choose this color as well. So this is the shading. So we've shaded only this paragraph. Now you can decide to shade this one as well and choose different colors. Well, okay, and this you can decide to just give it a different color altogether too. Okay, so you see, so you have this is a paragraph shading. Now if you want to just the text, if you want to just that the font color, if you want to change the text, that is where you select any of these. So that is to select, highlight, and you apply the text. Okay, so it's the same black. Now the same thing applies to if you want to make this red. So just put it and just select the red color, and it's going to affect. Okay, so it has affected our text. Okay, so that is the way. So this is the shading, and this is the font color as well. So you can decide to choose from the shading to shade the paragraph, and this to shade only the text as well. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. That is the indent. Now, what is indent? The indent is going to be applied to this list. So what here? So you see we have this list here, and let's say we have a lot of space here. If you want to move the whole text to this side, we can't just be pressing the space bar one after the other like this to move. No, when you have a list, it's going to be tedious for us. So what I'm going to do is going to highlight the whole text, highlight the whole list. Now when it comes to the same paragraph, have you seen this? Now this is the decrease the indent, and yes, increase indent. As soon as you click, it keeps it push. You push it to the other side, so you can just get a space to also what add another one as well. So this moves it forward, and this returns it to the normal position. So this moves it, and this returns. So it increases and it decreases as well. So that is the indent use. Okay, now the next one is the sorting. So how do you sort? Now let's check the initials of this text. Here is A, this is N, this is B. But you all know B comes before N, right? Okay, so how can we sort to make it A, B, B, then before H, and then the rest? How can we do that? Now let's highlight the entire list. Now with this, there is a sorting. So you see sort, everything is a sort. Now click on sort. Now let's see where can this sort be applied. Now and in paragraphs 1, headings, and in fields. Okay, so fields, that's in the table, and this in normal document. Okay, so you want the paragraph 1. So paragraph is being selected. Now text, numbers and date. Now you want text. So you want to sort it in ascending or descending order. Now you want the ascending, so let's keep it like that. Now click on OK, and let's see. So when you click on OK, now let's see. So you have A, B, B, H, M, N, S, S. So that is the ascending, or that's the sorting. So you sorted it out. Okay. And the last one is the border. The last one is the border. Now with the border, they are the imaginary lines around the text document or around text. So let's say this is the first paragraph. Can you apply border the same place? This is the border. Now see. So border, which one should we choose? There's the bottom top border. Okay, so alright, so we have this, the bottom border. You can decide to go for top, left, or border. Okay, like you see, and you can just do the same thing to this and to that as well. So only just put the cursor in the initial stage, that's the starting page for the paragraph. Then you just apply the border. And also you can decide to highlight or and apply the border as well. So when you highlight or, you can still apply the border. Okay, so that is it for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.